increasing the credibility of the solution put forth is phenomenally important. Thank you for that story and for your work.
Good morning, everyone. Academic research and industry operations intersects through technology transfer, collaborative R&D, industry-funded research, data sharing, that's what people have said about data sharing, consulting and advisory. It is the role of the academics who do the consulting and the advisory to the industry. So we all look forward or look up to the academics to give us the gyan which we think we had, but we really didn't have. Apart from that, talent pipeline is where the academics, they garner, they charter, they take care of the people who are the future leaders in the world. So it is the academics who do it, it is not the industry which does. Let's be very clear about it. So apart from that, the standards and the policies are laid down by the academics, by the institutions, by the research institutions in the world, and that's where the guidelines are framed by the various governments in the world. Then we have industry-inspired operation, because the industry needs some research where they have bottlenecks. That's where the IITs and the BITS and the MITs of the world step in to take away the bottlenecks which the industry is facing, like he just said about the batteries which had a problem. Then the universities, they serve as test beds and pilots for controlled environment for industry experience. Yesterday I was with Professor Neeru Sood and she showed me her labs where they do a lot of research, and that's where the idea of these test beds and pilots came to my mind. The last but not least is the IP licensing. Companies commercialize universities' patents and innovations. And that's how the companies grow and the universities grow. I am a product of MIT, and I have seen MIT grow, and their corpus has grown up to $450 billion because of the patents they have. So this is where the academics play a major role, and we have an incubation center there where over 400 companies have been incubated in MIT. So this, what I think, is the importance of the academics, which you all played to get the industry set rolling and industry grow. Thank you very much.
I thank the esteemed panelists for reinforcing my conviction, my confidence, and the clarity that all of you have brought to this conversation, and the realism as well. That this is the need of the hour, and having arranged this event at such a short notice, Dr. Karthik, Dr. Shrikant, we kind of got into the logistics of it. Didn't have much time to think about the spirit, but thank you so much for touching our spirits and with your own, and sharing your thoughts. Look forward to working with you, look forward for all of you to work with us, to inspire us and continue inspiring us. Thank you once again. Good afternoon.
I request all our panelists to please be seated. We have felicitation next. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone for this insightful session. Next up, I would like to call Professor Ram Karthikeyan to felicitate our panelists. We would like to extend our thanks to Professor Glenn W. Mushert, thank you, Professor M. Sabri Malai Manikandan. Thank you, Mr. Satish Dullipati. Thank you, Dr. Anupam Tyagi. And finally, thank you, Mr. Deepak Sharma. Since we are on a time constraint, I would firstly like to thank everyone for your session. You may now step down from the stage.